Hi, my dear students. Our lesson today, lesson 71. Today, we will talk about fractions. If we have one pizza and want to share it fairly among two friends, we must divide it into two equal parts. This part is called half. This part is called half. And this part, the other part, is called half. We can write half as 1/2. If we want to share this pizza among 3 friends, we must divide this pizza into 3 equal parts. One part, and the second part, the third part. This part is called third. This part is called third. And this another third. And this another third. We can write third as 1/3. Okay? If you want to distribute or share this pizza among 4 friends, we must divide it into 4 equal parts. So this part is called fourth. This part is called fourth. And this fourth, this part is fourth. This part is fourth. So how many fourths in one whole? 1, 2, 3, 4. We can write fourth as 1/4. And so on. Among 5 friends, we must divide it into 5 equal parts. Open your book, page number 36, lesson 71. Connect. Read the question below and circle the cookie that answers the question. Letter A. If two people want to share a cookie fairly, which image shows how they should cut the cookie? Number 1. Here, this cookie cut it into 2 parts, but not equal. Okay, we want to share cookies fairly. That means we want to divide it into equal parts. So this not equal parts. Number 2, this 2 equal parts. So this is the right answer. Letter B. If 4 people want to share a cookie fairly, how many people? 4. Which image shows how they could cut the cookie? Number 1, how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, but they are not equal. Number 2, how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, and they are equal parts. 4 equal parts. So we will circle number 2. Number 3, if three people want to share a cookie fairly, how many people? 3. Which image shows how they should cut the cookie? The first image, 1, 2, 3. 3 equal parts. So we will circle letter number 1. Letter number 2, 3 parts, but they are not equal. Letter D. Draw lines on the cookie below to show where you might cut and share it fairly with 8 friends. 8 friends, so we must cut this cookie into 8 equal parts. The first step, we cut it into 2 halves. After that, 4 fourths, sorry. How many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we cut it here. We cut it from here. Now, how many parts we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we have 8 pieces. Turn on your page. Lesson 71, apply. Answer the following questions. Number 1, circle the shapes that are divided into equal parts. Okay, equal parts means fair shares. Okay, shape number 1, it's divided into 2 parts and they are equal. So we will circle shape number 1. Number 2, this shape, the circle, divided into 4 parts, but they are not equal. Okay. Shape number 3, divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts, and they are equal parts. So we will circle the third shape. Number 2, divide the following shapes into the fractional part listed below. The first shape, 4 equal parts. Divided it into fourths. Okay, so we can divide it to halves, then 4. Shape number 2, 6 equal parts, 6 sixes. So we can divide it from here into 2 halves. Then here we have here. So we have how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and they are equal parts. Number 3, match the picture or the fraction to its name. Number 3, match the picture of the fraction to its name. Okay, the first picture, this shape divided into 2 equal parts. 2 equal parts is called halves. What is halves? Here. Okay, this circle divided into 4 equal parts. 1 part is called 4. So fourths. Match it with fourths. This shape, how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This shape is called octagon. This octagon divided into 8 parts, 8 equal parts. So we match it with it. This shape, how many? 1, 2, how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 part is called sixth. So we have the last one, 3 parts, 3 equal parts. Match it with thirds. Turn on your page. Number 4, circle the shapes that are divided into equal parts. Then write a sentence telling what equal parts means. This shape divided into 2 equal parts. So we circle it. This shape, the second shape, not equal parts. This part not equal, this part and this part and this. The third one, this shape divided into 3 equal parts, so we circle it. This shape, 4 parts but not equal. This shape, the last one, equal parts, divided into equal parts. Now what is the meaning of equal parts? Equal parts. Equal parts means fair shares. Challenge. Yasser want to share the cake below the three of his friends. Here is how he cut it. He cut it into three equal parts. His friends told him that would not work because there were 4 of them altogether. So Yasser took one of this piece and cut it in half. He do this. Okay, now we have fourths. Was Yasser's thinking correct? Why or why not? Explain your thinking in the box below. Then, if you disagree with Yasser's solution, draw how he could have cut the cake to share it equally among the 4 people. Do you agree or not agree? Disagree. Okay. Was Yasser's thinking correct? No. Why? 2. He must cut the cake as the following. He must cut the cake into 4 equal parts as this. This is a cake. We cut it like this. Okay. Turn on your page. Lesson 71, Math Journal. Directions. Reflect on your learning about fractions today, then answer the question below and write your definition in the box. You can use words, numbers, pictures, and examples to explain your thinking. What is a fraction? Okay, what is a fraction? This is a circle or pizza. You want to distribute it among 4 friends. Every friend take a part. This part is called fraction. We have 4 equal parts. One part of them is called a fraction. So we can define a fraction as fraction is a part from one whole which divided into equal parts. This fraction is called fourth.